Alright, so let's have a look for example 10. So you are throwing two fair dice, and these are the definition for event A and B, and they want you to find the probability for event A and B. And after that, they also want you to state whether A and B are mutually exclusive or not. Okay, so you have actually more than one method to solve this question. Okay, then because of from this question, I see that I'm throwing two fair dice. So to me, I think maybe possibility space diagram is a good method for me to be used. Right, so I try to complete the possibility space diagram first. Okay, so let's say I'm having the first dice and first set of outcome, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also the second dice with the second set of outcome, which is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so from here, you should know that we are having 36 elements in the sample space. So all the purple color cell here belongs to the element in the sample space. Right? Okay, then now to answer the question, for me, I will try to put in some result in the possibility space diagram according to the question. Right, so now we look at event A first. So event A means the score differ by 3 or more. Right, so that means the difference for the score. If let's say their difference is 3 or more, then that means it belongs to event A lah. Okay, so as an example, if I refer to this cell, you have having score 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, you get a 0. Therefore, it is not belongs to event A. The same thing happens for the next cell, this one. If you take 2 minus 1, you get 1, which is also less than 3. So this is not belongs to event A also. Right, then what do I have for the next one? So for the next one, you can still check cell by cell, and then maybe I go for the fourth for this one. All right, so for this cell, if you look at it, 4 minus 1, you get a 3. So it is actually fulfill the condition, the score differ by 3 or more. It belongs to event A, right? Therefore, you can highlight the cell in maybe, or you can put the sign, okay, for this cell, which means it is actually the event A. Okay, then the same thing happen for the next cell. 5 minus 1 also equals to 4, which is more than 3 or more. 6 minus 1 also the same thing. So you please check cell by cell and highlight or maybe put a sign on the cell that is fulfilled the condition for event A. So if you check one by one slowly, and you will see that these are the results that you have for event A. Okay, so now to find the probability for event A, which is very simple. Okay, so what is the probability for event A? So to get the probability for event A, it is very easy. You look and count how many total cells that is highlighted in yellow. So you're having 12, so which is 12 over 36, and therefore you get 1 over 3. Right? Then next, we are going for the event B now. So event B is the product of the score, which is greater than 8. Right, so for event B, I might want to highlight it by using some other color lah. Right, so the product means the multiplication between the two scores. So let's say for the first score here, you are having 1 multiplied with 1, which is equals to 1. 1 is not greater than 8. It's not greater than 8, right? Therefore, it is not belongs to event B. Alright, so maybe you can check slowly. Maybe what you can see is here, this one, this particular cell, when you are having 5 multiplied with 2, you get a 10, which is already more than 8. So this is actually belongs to event B. I will highlight it in green color. So please check also cell by cell and see how many of them actually fulfill event B. You will see that quite a lot of cells actually belongs to event B. So next, try to answer the question here. What is the probability of event B? Alright, so please count how many total green color cells that you have in this possibility space diagram. You realize that you're having 20 of them in total and over 36, which is equals to 5 over 9. So you see that actually, as what I said before, possibility space diagram can be very time consuming when you want to use it, but somehow it can be quite clear to show you all the possible results that you have. Okay, then now we proceed to part number 3. They are asking you, event A and B are mutually exclusive or not? So the answer is no. How I know that the A and B are not mutually exclusive? It is because of, if you look at your possibility space diagram, you will see that there are some cells with both yellow and green color. So that means A and B happen at the same time on all these cells. Alright, so that means the probability for A and B is not equals to 0. That's why A and B are not mutually exclusive.